Welcome to this channel, your place for buying classic motorcycles. Here, we showcase vintage and old school bikes with real history, real character, and real value. If you're looking for timeless machines and serious iron, you're in the right place. Number 1. 1969 Harley-Davidson FLH, $15,000. This 1969 FLH represents the classic touring era when Harley-Davidson built machines meant to cross states, not just look good parked. Finished in its original sparkling burgundy color and repainted using OEM-correct formula paint, this bike stays true to its roots while benefiting from careful updates like new rims, tires, and aftermarket mufflers. The addition of a police solo seat gives it that unmistakable authoritative stance, functional, purposeful, and timeless. What makes this FLH compelling is its balance between originality and usability. It's clean, presentable, and clearly cared for, making it ideal for someone who wants a vintage Harley they can actually ride without guilt. At this price point, it sits in a sweet spot, affordable enough to enjoy, yet classic enough to hold long-term value. Number 2. 1967 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, $16,500. This 1967 Jenny Shovelhead is a strong example of early shovel evolution, upgraded to 80 cubic inches for better performance while keeping its vintage soul intact. With 3.5-gallon Panhead tanks and a clean Harley-Davidson title, this bike blends eras in a way that feels intentional rather than forced. It runs strong, shifts clean, and is described as a true ride-at-home machine. Early shovelheads like this are becoming harder to find, especially ones that haven't been overbuilt or stripped of character. This bike is clearly meant for someone who wants classic looks with modern rideability, a rider's bike, not a museum piece. It's honest, mechanical, and built to be used the way Harley intended. Number 3. 1961 Harley-Davidson Servi-Car, $9,500. This 1961 Servi-Car is pure character. Powered by a 45 CIG motor with a 3-speed transmission and reverse, it's a reminder of when Harley built machines for work, not just leisure. With its custom rear bed and upgraded shovel front end, this trike stands out instantly wherever it goes, drawing attention from both vintage enthusiasts and casual onlookers alike. What makes this Servi-Car special is how complete and functional it is. It runs and shifts great, carries a clean title, and still maintains its original 1961 drivetrain and chassis components. This isn't just a novelty, it's a usable, drivable piece of Harley history that turns every errand into a conversation. Number 4. 1981 Harley-Davidson FLH Peas and Carrots Willie G Edition, $15,000. One of only 454 produced, this Willie G Edition FLH is a rare factory special with undeniable collector appeal. Finished in the iconic Peas and Carrots color scheme and showing just over 18,000 original miles, this bike has been garaged, preserved, and treated as the limited production Harley it is. Few bikes from this era carry such direct design influence from Willie G Davidson himself. Beyond rarity, this FLH represents the transition period where Harley was modernizing while still holding on to classic design language. With recent maintenance and a clean title in hand, this is a bike that works equally well as a showpiece or a carefully ridden investment. Bikes like this don't come up often, and when they do, they rarely stay available long. Number 5. 1977 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead FLH, $6,500. This 1977 FLH Shovelhead is proof that honest riders still exist in today's market. Recently fitted with new tires and brakes, it runs strong, despite unknown mileage, a common reality for bikes that have actually lived on the road. It's not flashy, not over-polished, but solid where it matters most. For someone looking to enter the shovelhead world without spending collector-level money, this bike makes a lot of sense. It's a true touring shovel, built for miles and priced accordingly. These are the bikes that keep the legacy alive, ridden, maintained, and appreciated for what they are. Number 6. 1981 Harley-Davidson Tour Glide Shovelhead, $4,500. The 1981 Tour Glide represents Harley's push into modern touring technology, featuring a 5-speed transmission, improved alternator output, electronic ignition, and full fairing design. This particular example runs and rides well, equipped with a Super G carb and supported by extra parts, including a solo seat and luggage components. At this price, it's hard to ignore the value. While the paint shows wear, the fundamentals are there. Clean title, solid drivetrain, and proven touring comfort. For someone willing to embrace function over cosmetics, this Tour Glide offers one of the most affordable ways into a true shovelhead touring platform. Number 7. 1981 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead Low Rider, $7,000. This kickstart-only lowrider is all about attitude. Recently rebuilt with modern electronic ignition, it starts easily and delivers that raw shovelhead experience purists crave. While it needs tires, the bike remains mechanically sound and ready for the next phase of its life. Lowriders from this era are increasingly sought after, especially those that retain their stripped-down, aggressive personality. This one isn't pretending to be perfect. It's a rider's machine with edge, presence, and authenticity. Exactly the kind of bike that feels alive every time you kick it over. Number 8. 1987 Harley-Davidson Sportster, $3,100. This 1987 Sportster is a clean example of early evolution-era reliability paired with classic styling. Largely stock and mechanically sound, it features fresh maintenance items and minimal cosmetic wear, the kind of bike that rewards regular use rather than constant wrenching. For riders wanting a vintage Harley experience without vintage Harley headaches, this Sportster fits the bill. It's approachable, affordable, and still carries that unmistakable Harley feel. A perfect entry point into classic ownership or a dependable addition to a larger collection. Number 9. 1958 Harley-Davidson Panhead Chopper, $25,000. This Panhead chopper sits at the intersection of art and machinery. Built from a 1958 foundation and presented in near-new condition, it reflects the timeless appeal of hand-built Harley customs. While details are limited, the asking price alone signals a high-end build meant to stand out, not blend in. Panhead choppers like this are about vision, the builder's vision, and the next owner's lifestyle. Whether displayed or ridden, this bike represents freedom, individuality, and the golden age of Harley custom culture. It's not just transportation, it's a statement. Number 10. 1987 FLH 883 Sportster, $3,500 OBO. This FLH 883 offers a rare mix of originality and transparency. Featuring matching number engine cases, original two-tone paint, and period-correct modifications, it tells its story honestly. While currently not running, the engine turns freely and shows no alarming signs, a typical revival project rather than a gamble. For the right buyer, this is an opportunity. Clean title, documented history, and included extra parts make it a solid foundation for a recommission or light restoration. Bikes like this reward patience and knowledge, and when done right, they deliver satisfaction money alone can't buy. If you love real vintage Harleys, not algorithms and plastic bikes, this channel is for you. These bikes don't wait, and neither should you. Hit subscribe right now. Turn on notifications because tomorrow's listings could be gone forever.